Alrighty, so let's go ahead and move in and get started with our development process. In this video, we'll cover steps 1 and 2 of creating the free developer account in Okta and also adding an OpenID Connect client app in Okta. Alright, it's just swinging into my browser and I'll go ahead and create this free developer account. I'll simply go to developer.okta.com. Okay, so this is a very basic form. Just go ahead and fill it out with the appropriate information. There's no credit card required. So once you submit the form, just check your email to verify the account. And then from there, you can actually log in to your Okta developer dashboard. So you can go ahead and pause the video here for a second while you get all that taken care of. Alrighty, so once you have your account verified, you'll see a page similar to this. This is kind of like the Okta home screen. Go ahead and click on the link here for applications. And then we'll go down and we'll add an application. And so for this application screen here, we'll choose a single page application for like one of the modern JavaScript front ends like Angular, React, or whatever. So here we're using Angular, which is cool. And then we'll go ahead and hit next. And so now for our application, we need to go ahead and add some configurations for our application. So for name, you can give any name that you want. And then for base URI, that's the actual reference to how to access our Angular application. So we know that our Angular app is running on localhost 4200. For the login redirect UI, so we'll have localhost 4200, and then we'll have login/callback. And basically this is the link they'll use once the user logs in successfully to our application, then they'll call back to this given endpoint. And I'll show you more details on that in a bit. And as far as our logout redirect URI, we'll simply go to localhost 4200. Just basically, once they log out, we just send them back to the home page of our application. And for grant type allowed, be sure you have it set up for authorization code because we're going to use PKCE, proof key, for code exchange. And then just go ahead and click on the done button. Alrighty, so our application's created. Has some good information here that we need to be aware of. One is the client credentials, our client ID. So that's information that we'll use a little bit later. We can see that it's making use of the PKCE, proof key for code exchange, which is good. And then also for general settings, we see our actual Okta domain. So we'll use this information in some of the upcoming videos for setting up our client application. And then a nice thing about this Okta screen here is that if you have any questions about any of these different items, they have a little question mark icon. You can simply click on that to get more details. And you can also check the online help for additional details. Alrighty, so this looks good so far.